When Ford introduced the C-Max hybrid to the US market for 2013, it felt modern and virtuous, a glimpse at what a greener future could look like. In the years since its introduction, the industry has moved much closer to that efficient future, while the C-Max has rested on its laurels. It has skated by with only minor updates in the face of nearly revolutionary upgrades from competition such as the Chevrolet Bolt EV and the Hyundai Ioniq. There are still things we like about the C-Max. It's more fun to drive than most hybrids thanks to the underpinnings it shares with the nimble Ford Focus, and the cargo hold has more space than many sedans. But with lackluster fuel economy and outdated styling, its futuristic luster has paled to near irrelevance. High's comfortable interior, fun to drive for a hybrid, spacious cargo hold. Low's unimpressive fuel economy, key active safety features are missing, outdated design. Verdict: a decent car, but not a good enough hybrid to justify the price premium. What's new for 2018? Rumors are flying that Ford will end US sales of the C-Max at the end of 2018. The plug-in energy version was discontinued at the end of the 2017 model year, leaving the C-Max hybrid to soldier on alone unchanged from 2017. What was new for 2017? The C-Max, which was offered as a hybrid and a plug-in hybrid called the Energy, has seen few changes since it debuted for 2013. Updates for 2017 included a redesigned grille, headlights, and taillights. Also new last year was a top-level titanium trim for both the hybrid and Energy models and a white gold paint option. Trims and options we'd choose with no plug-in model in the menu and only 2 available trim levels for the remaining hybrid. There aren't many decisions to make when buying a C-Max. The lineup starts with the $24,995 SATE trim, but we chose the Ritzia titanium model for its quaint luxurious interior touches. That trim starts at $28,150 and includes leather seating with heated front seats, Sync 3 infotainment system, rear parking sensors. Titanium models have several available option packages, including a foot-activated liftgate, rear cross-traffic alert, and self-parking features, but they're expensive and add little to the driver's enjoyment of the car, so we'll skip them. The C-Max hybrid powertrain is refined and well integrated, and the transition from electric to gasoline operation is practically seamless. But we'd prefer if the C-Max were either zippy or hyper-efficient instead of occupying a middle ground. What's new for 2018? The 2018 C-Max hybrid will continue to use the same powertrain that launched with the car in 2013, but the plug-in Energy model has sung its last song. 2017 Ford C-Max Energy Hybrid and Energy models are both powered by versions of the same powertrain, consisting of a continuously variable automatic transmission CVT, a 2.0-litre 4-cylinder engine, and front-wheel drive. Energy models sport a much larger battery pack for extended electric driving. We won't go so far as to say that the powertrain is enthusiastic, but Energy models benefit from the instant torque of their electric motors to feel snappy off the line. Both models are quicker than much of the hybrid competition. The Energy has 3 available drive modes. When Auto F is selected, the C-Max relies on battery power until the charge is depleted or the driver demands maximum acceleration. In F Now mode, the C-Max uses battery power alone until it is fully depleted, then switches to the gasoline engine. Electric driving is limited at 85 miles per hour. F later causes the C-Max to operate more like a normal hybrid, using battery power mainly at stoplights and during rolling starts. Charging system: C-Max Energys can charge at either a household 120-volt outlet or a 240-volt outlet. A full charge takes only 2.5 hours at a 240-volt outlet but will consume 7.0 hours on standard 120-volt house current. With unimpressive EPA ratings and disappointing results in our real-world tests, the C-Max falls far short of its goal of being a highly efficient alternative to conventional gas or diesel-powered vehicles. What's new for 2018? With no changes to the hybrid powertrain this year, the C-Max's fuel economy has also stayed the same. Drivers who want a CMAX and crave extended stints of EV driving will have to find a 2017 or earlier Energy plug-in model. 2017 Ford CMAX Energy. The CMAX struggles to match other hybrids for efficiency. Both hybrid and Energy models have the lowest EPA ratings of the hybrid competitors listed here, and neither comes close to cresting 50 miles per gallon in any metric, a mark the competition from Hyundai and Toyota vault over with ease. Electric-only range. The Energy is rated to earn 20 miles of EV range on a single charge. That might be enough for owners who have short daily driving loops or easy access to charging stations. If electric range is your main concern, the Chevrolet Volt, with 53 miles of EPA-rated EV range, is a better choice. We've devised our own fuel economy test in an attempt to replicate how most people drive on the highway. Our procedure entails a 200-mile out-and-back loop on Michigan's I-94 highway. We maintain a GPS-verified 75 miles per hour and use the cruise control as much as possible to mimic the way many drivers behave during long trips. Both versions of the CMAX turned in very poor performances in this test, each measuring 33 miles per gallon. This placed them behind every competitor listed here, including the Chevrolet Cruze diesel, which eschews electrification but still topped 50 miles per gallon on our highway loop. The Cruze diesel's 700-mile highway cruising range places it high atop this pack. The CMAX's highway cruising range is still long enough that you'll want to stop for a stretch before you run out of fuel.
Yeah.